Stair stringers and treads are two of the main components of a staircase. Stringers are the long diagonal members that support the treads on either side and can be notched or full width. Treads are the horizontal stepping surfaces. Stair stringers need to be properly connected to the deck and treads properly connected to the stringers in order to resist loads and perform reliably over time. When selecting connectors, fasteners, and anchors, it's important to consider the corrosiveness of your environment as well as the type of treated lumber and metal you're using. Use hardware that meets the corrosion resistance needed and always choose like metals. For example, with stainless steel connectors, use stainless steel fasteners. Stringers attach directly to the deck joist or other framing. Connectors like the field-slopeable LSCZ are ideal for making this attachment. They also help your staircase meet the resistance requirement of 40 pounds per square foot of tread area. Full-width stringers are stronger than notch stringers and make it easier to meet maximum guardrail opening requirements. If your stringer is notched, attach treads with fasteners. If unnotched, the TA9 or TA10 tread angle connector provides a positive connection. Individual stair treads need to be able to resist a 300-pound concentrated load acting over an area of 4 square inches. Our project consists of notch stringers that are supported at the upper end with LSCZ hangers. The bottom end of the stringers are supported by a wood plate anchored to the footing with stainless steel Titan HD heavy-duty screw anchors. The stringer is then fastened to the plate with A23Z framing angles. We've also added an intermediate support using the ABAZ post base, once again with a stainless steel Titan HD. A PC4Z post cap and an A34Z angle connector complete the installation. Code requirements regarding openings between stair treads and stair railing must also be met. Those are the basic steps for constructing strong, safe stair stringer and tread connections. But before working on your own deck, be sure to check your local building code or consult an engineer or general contractor. To learn more about other critical deck connections and how to make them stronger, watch the full Simpson Strong-Tie Stronger Deck series.